too close, so far now I'm lost in the world, trying to find me a better way. Wishing I was knee deep in water somewhere, got the blue sky breeze and it don't seem fair.